So, what did you order?
What did I order? Tan Ramen.
You sound like someone who hasn't been here very much.
Well, I've been here once.
You don't look too enthused.
Well, the almond water one tasted a little burnt, so we'll see.
Gas, really?
Yes, it did.
That's unfortunate.
It spilled my water on me too, so. Yeah, well, that's okay. I'm giving him another chance because I'm all about another chances.
That's good. I hope you like it.
I hope to like it too.
Is that the same taste you had before?
It is. Alright, you tell me if this tastes like what it's supposed to taste like.
Fine. It does look a little different. Yeah, you got a shitty match.
Sauce is good. These are huge. Very good.
Yay!
Well, this is actually really good.
Okay, how was it?
It was good.
Just good?
Just good. It didn't get the very good.
Oh, that's too bad. Think you'd be back again?
If I have to.
Because I'm going to drag you.
Sounds good.